everyone! Hope you're all doing well. It is the end of February and officially the start of a new month. So welcome to my video where I am going to be showing you how I set up my bullet journal for this month. When I think of March, the color green comes to my mind. So I wanted to incorporate the color green into my March bullet journal spread. Using the Himi gouache paint palette, I painted a sort of green colored landscape. The idea that I had in my mind was something sort of ethereal, light in the sky, green signifying the coming of spring soon. So I pretty much just treated this gouache paint palette as watercolor and used more water to water down the paint. I didn't want it to be too green, so I added some reds, blues, sort of some blacks to make it a more muted green color. After that, I just scanned it, took it to Procreate, edited, and added some birds, wrote March on it, and I'm pasting it onto my bullet journal now. I sort of did things differently this time. Instead of drawing straight onto my bullet journal, I decided to print the image instead, and then using this double-sided tape, glue it onto my bullet journal. So that is my sort of start to the month for my bullet journal spread, and I really liked how it turned out. I also added a couple birds flying in the sky, so I'm really happy with how this turned out. Next, I'm starting on my important tasks box. So I decided that I wanted to just have an area where I could just write out important tasks that I have to do for this month. Another thing that I am working on doing is growing my Instagram accounts and really being active on there. So I have two accounts. One is my science account and one is my art account. So I am trying to grow both accounts at the same time. So I'm writing sort of two columns to kind of track when I make those posts. I hope that this will help me. So moving on, I am now working on my weekly spread. I decided to do something a little bit different, and that is to box out 8 different rectangles and designate each rectangle to a day of the week. So I just took a brush pen with the color green and did a little highlight on the top of the box, wrote down the days of the week, and then save the last box as a brain dump area. If I'm going to be honest, I kind of just winged it and drew whatever I felt like drawing. And I also decided to use a black marker pen to do the outlines. The dotted notebook is the dots are sort of darker than I like, so I decided to go with a bolder pen, and I actually really like this, and I might be using this more in my future spreads. I also thought it would be cute to add sort of these little tapes on the corners to kind of look like I taped, or it looks like it's like kind of like tape on the sides. I think it's really cute and very simple. I decided to also work on the second week of March and that weekly plan. So first I just wrote weekly plan on the top of the page, and then I boxed it out using the same black pen and same color marker. I also decided to add sort of like a wreath kind of design on the top of the page. You simply can just take any colored marker, draw the shapes, and then take a black pen to do some quick details. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and share with me your creations as well. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!